going to
sir.
work on prepositions. Today we are going to work on prepositions. All right. So our first preposition is about. I think we have done it. We are just going to have a revision. We are just going to have a revision about it. Okay. So we worked on it, and now we are going to have a revision of about. Revision of about. Okay. So who is going to talk? So you got it. About it means chavishi. It is written here. About it means. So today we are going to work on about. Okay. About it means on the subject of. This is a story about elephants. It means we are talking about we are talking on the subjects of elephants. It means about it means on the subject of. क्या विषय उसके बारे में उसको बोलते हैं about elephants. Okay, now everybody is answering me. In mute status, in mute status, everybody is answering me. Okay, and Nikita, you are answering me in unmute status. All right, answer me. Are you talking about elephants?
Yes, I am talking about elephants.
Okay, did you explain everything about students?
Yes, I have explained everything about student.
Okay, what do you know about animals?
I know about animals. What should I answer, sir?
What do you know about animals?
Animals.
I know the life of the animals.
I know the life.
Each and everything about the animals.
I know the life about animals.
Okay, about importance of. Do you know about importance of infrastructure?
Yes, I know importance of infrastructure.
Did the principal talk about teachers?
Yes, principal talk about teachers.
Okay. Do you know about new development projects?
Yes, I know about new development projects.
Okay. Did you explain about students' behavior?
Yes, I have explained about students' behavior.
Okay. What do you know about her result?
Yes, I know about her results.
Do you know about the scholarship?
Yes, I know about scholarship.
Okay. Is he talking about? Okay. Ashwini, answer me. Is he talking about elephants?
Yes, he is talking about elephants.
Are they talking about animals?
Yes, they are talking about animals.
Is he discussing about students?
Yes, he is discussing about students.
Did you do the presentation about animals?
Yes, I presentation about animals.
Is
Yes,
the minister working? Is the minister talking about importance of infrastructure?
Yes, minister is talking about the importance of infrastructure.
Okay. What did the committee decide about teachers' future?
Yes, committee decided about teacher future.
Do you know the new development about the projects?
Yes, I know about the development new project.
Okay. Did you think about his behavior?
Yes, I think
Did you think about his behavior?
Yes, I thought about his behavior.
Okay. Do you know about her result?
Yes, I know about her result.
Okay. Did you read about scholarship?
Yes, I read about scholarship.
Okay. In this way, we have worked on about. Okay. Now next about. The next meaning of about is approximately. Okay. Andaje. The next meaning of the about is approximately and andaje. He is about 10 years old. मतलब वह अंदाजे 10 साल का है. वह अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 10 साल का है. तो अंदाजे 10 वर्षांचा आहे. In this way. Okay. Kajal, answer me. Is your brother about 5 feet 5 inch? Everybody is answering. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class. So everybody is answering me. Okay. Is your brother about 5 feet 5 inch? Kajal, answer me. Is your brother about 5 feet 5 inch?
Yes, my brother is 5 feet 5 inch.
Okay. Is your village about 10 kilometers from here?
Yes, my village is about 10 kilometers from here.
Is that is that place about 5 feet long?
Yes, this place is about 5 feet long.
Okay, are there about 10 pages in the notebook?
Yes, there are 10 pages about notebook.
Are there about 10 pages in the notebook?
Yes, there are 10
About-
pages
about-
10 pages the notebook.
About 10 pages, it means approximately 10
10
pages.
pages.
Are there about 10 pages in the notebook?
Yes, there are 10 pages
About 10 pages.
about 10 pages there are notebook.
Yes, there are about 10 pages in the notebook. Okay. Answer me again and correctly. Listen to it correctly, Kajal.
Yes.
Are there about 10 pages in the notebook?
Yes, there are about 10 pages in the notebook.
Very good. Concentration is important, Kajal.
Yes.
Okay. Are you studying about 6 hours every day?
Yes, I am studying about 6 hours every day.
Did you stay in your village about 2 days?
Yes, I am stay
Did
about
you stay in your village about 2 days?
yes, I
Stayed.
I stayed about 2 days in village.
Okay. Yes, I stayed in the village about 2
2
days.
days.
Answer me again. Did you stay in the village about 2 days?
Yes, I am stay.
I am not. Yes, I stayed in village.
Yes, I stayed in village
Listen to me,
about 2
Kajal.
days.
There is no hurry. Just listen to me.
Yes.
Yes, listen to me. Yes, I stayed in the village about 2 days. Did you stay in the village about 2 days?
Yes, I stayed in village about 2 days.
Okay. Did Sunil cut about 5 trees in the farm?
Yes, the Sunil cut about 5 trees in the farm.
Okay. Did the conductor give the ticket to about 100 passengers?
The conductor
Give
gives
the ticket.
about 100 passengers.
Okay. Are there about 5 lakh people in Pune?
Yes, there are about 5 lakh people in Pune.
Okay. Did you get about 80% in the exam?
Yes, I got about 80% in 10th exam.
Very good. Very good. Amruta, answer me again.
Yes, sir.
Is your sister about 5 feet 5 inch?
Yes, my sister is about 5 feet 5 inch.
Did you go for a driving about 10 kilometers from here?
Yes, I went for driving of about 10 kilometers from here.
Okay. Is that pit about 5 feet long?
Yes, that pit is about 5 feet long.
Are there about 10 pages in your dictionary?
Yes, there are about 10 pages in the dictionary.
Okay. Is your kids' school about 6 hours?
Yes, my kids' school is about 6 hours.
Okay. Did you spend in that farmhouse about 2 days?
Yes, I spent in that farmhouse about 2 days.
Okay. Did you see about 5 trees in the garden?
Yes, I saw about 5 trees in the garden.
Okay. Did the conductor give tickets to about 100 passengers?
Yes, the conductor gave tickets for about
100.
100 passengers.
Okay. Are there 5 lakh people in Pune Municipal Corporation?
Yes, there are about 5 lakh people in Pune Municipal Corporation.
Okay. Did you get about 80% in 10th exam?
Yes, I got about 80% marks in the exam, in the
Very
10th.
good. Good job. Good job. In this way, we talked about. Now, about is third uses of about. About is approximately. But now we are going to work on the possessions. He has about 2 flats in Pune. He has about 2 flats in Pune. Okay. About it means approximately. It means he has approximately 2 flats in Pune. Okay. Okay. Sanket Swami.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does your inbox have about 50 mails?
Yes, my inbox have a 50 mails.
My inbox has
Yes, my
Okay, are there about 50 mails in inbox?
yes, there are about 50 mails in inbox.
Okay, how many pencils are there in compass box?
Yes,
Second.
there are about 5 pencil in compass box.
Okay, how much balance is in your account?
There are about
There is about.
there is about 1 lakh balance, 1 lakh's balance in my account.
Okay, are there 1 lakh rupees in your account? Are there about 1 lakh rupees in your account?
Yes, there are 1 lakh, about 1 lakh rupees in my account.
Okay, is there about 2-acre field in your village?
Yes, there are about 2 acre field in my village.
Okay, about 30 patients. How many okay, are there about 30 patients in a hospital?
Yes, there are about 30 patients in hospital.
Okay, are there about 50,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel?
Yes, there are about 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
Okay, are there about 200 contacts in his mobile?
Yes, I have. Yes, there is about 200 contacts in my mobile.
Okay, are there about 5 mobiles in his bag?
Yes, there are 5 mobiles in.
There are about.
There
What
are
it means
about
approximately.
5 bags. 5 mobiles in this bag. His bag.
Are there about 5 laptops in the office?
Yes, there are about 5 laptops in office.
Okay, are there about 100 books in his library?
Yes, there are about 100 books in this library.
Okay, now you are answering in I have.
Yes.
Okay, now you are in answering in I have. Nilesh, you are answering with I have. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How many mails do you have in your inbox? First answer. I have about 50 mails in inbox. First
Okay,
answer.
sir.
Okay. How many
I
mails?
have-
Wait a minute. Listen to me carefully. How many
Okay, sir.
mails do you have in inbox?
Yes, I have
Oh
about.
yes, this is a WH question. How
Okay,
many
sir.
mails do you have in inbox? I have about 50 mails in inbox.
Okay, sir.
Answer me. How many mails do you have in inbox?
I have about 50 men in my
Inbox.
inbox.
How many pencils do you have in compass box?
I have about 50 pencils in my box.
How many rupees do you have in your account?
I have about 1 lakh in my account.
How much field do you have in your village?
I have about 2 acres in my village.
Okay, how many patients do you have in a hospital?
I have about 200 patients in my hospital.
Okay, how many subscribers do you have on your YouTube channel?
I have about 500 subscriber. I have 500 subscriber on my YouTube channel.
How many contacts do you have in your mobile?
I have about 200 contents on my mobile.
Contacts.
In my mobile.
Contacts. Okay. How many mobiles do you have in your bag?
Bag, sir.
Hmm.
I have about 2 mobiles in my bag.
How many laptops do you have in the office?
I have about 2 laptops in my office.
How many books do you have in your library?
I have about 200 books in my library.
Very good. Aishwarya, you are answering me.
Yes,
How now he group, we are discussing with he group. How many mails does he have in the inbox? He has about 50 mails in inbox. Okay, Aishwarya. Got it?
Yes,
How many mails does he have in inbox?
he has about 50 mails in inbox.
How many pencils does he have in compass box?
He has about 5 pencil in compass box.
How many rupees does he have in account?
He has about 1 lakh rupees in account.
Kajal, it is not a listening class. It is a speaking class. Okay, how much field does he have in village?
He has about 2 acre field in his village.
How many patients does he have in a hospital?
He has about 30 patients in his hospital.
How many subscribers does he have on his YouTube channel?
He has about 15,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel.
How many contacts does he have in his mobile?
He has about 200 contacts in his mobile.
How many mobiles does he have in his bag?
He has about 5 mobiles in his bag.
How many laptops does he have in the office?
He has about 5 laptops in the office.
How many books does he have in his library?
He has about 100 books in his library.
Very good, very good. Now we are going to study the next preposition, that is above. Above, it means higher than or over. The plane flew above the clouds. Varun. What is the meaning of above? Above, it means Varun. Okay, Pooja Kumari, above का मतलब वो पता है ऊपर से. You are answering me now, Pooja Kumari. You are
Yes, sir.
answering me. Okay, did the plane fly above the clouds?
Yes, fly.
The plane flew above the clouds. Yes, the plane flew above the clouds. Okay.
Yes, the plane flew above the clouds.
Yes, the plane flew.
Yes, the plane flew above the clouds.
Okay. Did the birds fly above the bridge?
Yes, birds flew above the clouds.
Okay. Are the birds flying above the bridge?
Yes, birds flew above.
Listen to me carefully. This is a present continuous tense question. Are the birds flying above the bridge?
Yes, birds are flying above the bridge.
Okay. Is your house above? Is your flat above first floor?
Yes, his flat.
Your flat. Is your flat above first floor?
Yes, my flat is above the first floor.
Okay. Are birds flying above the tree?
Birds are flying above the floor, above the bridge.
Are birds flying above the tree?
Yes, birds are flying above the tree.
Okay. Is there courier office above first floor, above second floor?
Yes, there is. Sorry, sir.
Is there courier office above second floor?
Yes, there is courier office above the second floors.
Okay. Is there a mobile tower above the building?
Yes, mobile tower is
Is
above the
building.
first. Sorry, sir.
Above the building.
Above the building.
Okay. Are there birds above the plane?
Yes, birds are above
Are
the.
there birds above the plane? Yes, there
Yes.
are birds above the plane. Are
Yes.
there birds above the plane?
Yes, there are birds above the plane.
Is the fan above his head?
Yes, fan is above the head.
Is the gift box above the blue box?
Yes, the gift box is above the blue box.
Okay. Is there a mountain above the village?
Yes,
Sorry, are there black clouds above the village?
yes, there are black clouds above the village.
Very good, very good. Good job, good job. Answer me again, Aditi. Aditi, answer me. Aditi, answer me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Above the clouds. Above the clouds. Are the planes above the clouds?
Yes, there are planes above the clouds.
Are there birds above the bridge?
Yes, there are birds above the bridge.
Is your flat above first floor?
Yes, my flat is above first floor.
Are birds flying above the tree?
Yes, the birds are flying above the tree.
Is the courier office above second floor?
Yes, the courier office is above The second floor.
Is the mobile building above the, is the mobile tower above the building?
Yes, the mobile tower is above the building.
Okay. Are the black clouds, are there black clouds above the plane?
Yes, there are black clouds above the plane.
Is the fan above the head, above his head?
Sorry, sir.
Is the fan above his head?
Yes, the fan is above his head.
Is the gift box above the blue box?
Yes, the gift box is above the blue box.
Okay. Are there black clouds above the, are there planes above the village?
Yes, there are planes above the village.
Is the helicopter above the village?
Yes, there are helicopters above the village.
Very good, very good. Do you want more time practice? One more time we will do a practice. Sanchali, answer me. Sanchali. Okay. Are there planes above the clouds?
Yes, there are planes above the clouds.
Okay. Are there birds above the bridge?
Yes, there are
Birds.
yes, there are birds above the bridge.
Is your flat above first floor?
Yes, my flat is flat above the first floor.
My flat is above first floor,
Above the
correct?
first,
Is your flat above first floor?
yes, my
Flat is
is above first floor.
correct.
My flat is above first floor.
Are the birds flying above the tree?
Yes, there are birds flying above
Are
the
the
tree.
birds flying above the tree?
Yes, the birds are above
The
flying.
birds are flying
The birds are flying the tree.
above
Above
the
the
tree.
flying above the tree.
Just repeat after me. Yes, the birds are flying above the tree.
Yes, the birds are flying above the tree.
Okay. Is the courier office above second floor?
Yes, there is a courier office above the first floor.
Okay. Is there a mobile tower above the building?
Yes, and this is the mobile tower above the second floor.
Okay. Are there black clouds above the plane?
Yes, there are black clouds above the plane.
Okay. Is there a fan above his head?
Yes, and
There
yes,
is a
there
fan
is a fan. There is
above
a
his.
fan above his head.
Is there a gift box above the blue box?
Yes, and the gift box above the blue
The
box.
gift box is.
The gift box is above the blue box.
Okay. Are the helicopters above the village?
Yes, there are helicopter above the village.
Correct. Okay. Now above each diagram, it means earlier on page. Earlier on page. Okay. All right. Amol, answer me. Amol Bagad, answer me. Is there a heading above each diagram? Amol Bagad.
Above heading. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there heading above each diagram?
There is heading above each diagram.
Okay. Is there
There is
a,
heading
is
above
there
each
a
one.
cartoon above each triangle?
There is a cartoon above each triangle.
Okay. Is there a question above each square?
There is a question above each square.
Is there a explanation? Is there an explanation of the grammar rule above each table?
There is a question above each grammar.
Okay. Is there a question above each table?
There is a question above each table.
Okay. Is there a name of the writer above each shape?
There is a name of the writer above each ship.
Is there a logo above each name?
There is a logo above each name.
Is there
There is
a
a logo
society's
above
name?
each name.
Is there a society's name above each nameplate?
Yes, there is a society's name.
There is a society name above each nameplate.
Okay, is there a poet's name above each poem?
Just the poem.
Yes, there is a poet's name above each poem. Okay, is there a writer's name above each article? Is there a writer's introduction above? Is there a writer's name or is there a writer's image above each introduction? Okay, very good, good job. Now same we are practicing with Amruta. Amruta, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Is there a heading above each diagram?
Yes, there is a heading above each diagram.
Okay, is there an explanation above? Is there a heading above each paragraph?
Yes, there is a heading above each
There is
paragraph.
a heading about each paragraph.
Okay, is there a shape above each triangle?
Yes, there is a shape above each triangle.
Is there a question above each square?
Sorry, sir.
Is there a question above each square?
Yes, there is a question above each square.
Is there explanation of the grammar above each table?
Yes, there is an explanation of grammar above each
Table.
question table.
Is there a sign of the writer above each shape?
Yes, there is a sign of the writer above each poem.
Shape. Okay.
Shape.
Is there a society's name above? Is there a writer's image above each name?
Yes, there is a writer's image above each shape.
Name. Is there society's name above each nameplate?
Yes, there is a society's name above each nameplate.
Is there poet's image above each poem?
Yes, there is a poet's image above each poem.
Is there a name of the writer above each article?
Yes, there is a name of the writer above each article.
Is there an image of the writer above each introduction?
Yes, there is an image of the writer above every explanation.
Okay, very good. Got it. Now across. Abhishek Gaikwad, you are answering me. Across. Okay, across it means cha palikade, on the other side of. What is the meaning of across? From one side to the other. मतलब एक साइड से अदर साइड तक, उसको बोलते हैं across the road. मतलब इस पार से उस पार तक, that is across the road. Okay, is your office across the road? Abhishek, is your office across the road? Yes, my office is across the road. Is your office across the road? Abhishek Gaikwad, is your office across the road?
Yes, my office.
Okay, fine, no problem. Tushar, answer me. Is
Yes,
your
sir.
office across the road?
Yes, my office is. Yes, we walked across the field.
Okay, is your office across the road?
Sir, आवाज म्यूट होतो जरा ना.
Tushar, is your office across the road?
Yes, my office is across the road.
Is the temple
Sir, signal problem zara.
across the river?
Yes, the temple is across the river.
Okay, is there a stadium? Is there a new stadium across the ground?
Yes, there is a new stadium across the ground.
Is there a train station across the bridge?
Yes, there is a train
Station.
across the beach.
Is there a new garden across the society?
Yes, there there is a new garden across the society.
Is there a police station across the police ground?
Yes, there is a police station across the police ground.
Is there a church across the highway?
Yes, there is a church across the highway.
Is there your school across the pavement?
Yes, there is my school across the pavement.
Is there a government office across the street?
Yes, there is a government office across the street.
Is there a supermarket across the signal?
Yes, there is a supermarket across the signal.
Okay, Abhishek Gaikwad, answer me. Did you go across the road? Yes, I went across the road. Abhishek Gaikwad, can you answer? Are you available? Pooja, answer me. Did you go across the road? Yes, I went across the road. Did you go
Yes.
across the road?
Yes, I went to across the road.
Do not. Yes, I went across the road. मैं रोड के पार चली गई in this way.
Yes,
Did you go across the road?
yes, I went across the road.
Did you go across the river?
Yes, I
went.
went across the river.
Did you go across the ground?
Yes, I went across the ground.
Did you go across the bridge?
Yes, I went across the bridge.
Did you walk across the society?
Yes, I walked across the society.
Did you walk across the police station, police ground?
Yes, I walked across the police station.
Did you do the shopping across the highway?
Yes, sorry,
Did
sir.
the shopping?
Yes, I
Did the shopping?
sorry, sir.
Did you do the shopping across the highway?
Yes, I do the shopping
Did
across.
Did you do did you do the shopping across the highway?
Yes,
Did the shopping?
yes, did the shopping across the highway.
Okay. Did you go for a walk across the pavement?
Yes, I
Kajal, it is not a listening class, it's a speaking class. Did you go for a walk across the pavement?
yes, I went for a walk across the
Pavement.
across the pavement.
Okay. Did you see the temple across the street?
Yes, I saw the temple across the street.
Did you see the police officer across the signal?
Yes, I saw the police station across the signal.
Okay, got it. Now we are going to work on across, that is on the other side of. मतलब
Sir?
दूसरी जगह. हाँ, yes, please.
Sir, will you please explain the use of this across and meaning of this?
Yeah. First, across, it means from one side to the other. From one side to the other. मतलब यहाँ से वहां तक. मतलब इस पार से उस पार तक. That is from one side to the other. And next meaning is on the other side of. On the other side of. दूसरी पार, दूसरी की तरफ, दूसरी की तरफ, दूसऱ्या ठिकाणी. That is on the other side of. All right.
Okay.
Across the office. Okay. Is there a mobile gallery across? Okay. Now Sanchali answering you. Sanchal, you are going to answer me. Is the mobile Shopee across the office? मतलब mobile Shopee office के उस पार है क्या? In this way. Is the mobile Shopee across the office?
Yes, and this is the mobile Shopee across
Is
the
the
office.
mobile Shopee across the office? Yes, the mobile Shopee is across the office.
Yes, the mobile Shopee is across the office.
Okay. Is the post office across the bank?
Yes, the post office is across the bank.
Is the college across the mall?
Yes, the college is across the mall.
Is the police station across the temple?
Yes, the police station is across the temple.
Okay. Is there a school across the supermarket? Is there a
Yes,
school
the
across the
school is-
supermarket?
Yes, there is a school across the supermarket.
Is there a government office across the garden?
Yes, there is a government office is across the garden.
Yes, there is government office across the garden. Or directly you can say, is the government office across the garden? Yes, the government office is across the garden.
Yes, the government office is across the garden.
Is the garden above across the post office?
Yes, the garden above
Garden is across the post office.
yes, the garden is across the post office.
Okay, is there a highway across the petrol pump?
Yes, there is a highway across the petrol pump.
Is there a garden across the society?
Yes, there is a garden across the society.
Is there a bank across the library?
Yes, there is a bank across the library.
Got it? In this way, we talked about a lot of preposition uses. Now you are going to talk to me. Now we are going to work on a free talk. For next 5 minutes. So you are going to talk to me anything on any topic. Anybody can come and you can talk to me. All right? Yes. Who is available? Yeah. Who is going to come and talk to me? Yeah, please. On any topic. Every day now there will be around 10 minutes free talk. So it will boost your confidence to speak in English. And you can talk to me on any your favorite topic. All right? Yes, please. Who is going to come?
सर
Raise
अभी
your
जो ग्रामर
hand.
के
Yeah, Ashwini, please.
अभी जो ग्रामर के इसके ऊपर या कुछ भी ऐसा
कुछ भी बोलो आप कुछ भी आपका फेवरेट टॉपिक हो, कुछ भी बोलो, दिन भर में कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ कौन से भी टॉपिक पर बोलो. ऑलराइट
सर डेली रूटीन्स पे बोलते.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
हाय सर, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. हाउ अबाउट यू?
आई एम फाइन. व्हाट डू यू डू?
आई एम अ टीचर.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
Do you go to walk?
Yeah. Do you go for a walk? Yes, I go for a
Do you
walk.
go? Which standard do you teach?
To which standard do you teach? I teach to 10th standard students.
How many students daily attend lecture?
How many students attend your lectures every day?
How many time do you spend your class?
How much time do you spend in the class? Repeat this question again.
How much time do you spend in the class?
I spend around 8 hours in the class. Very good.
What is your class name?
My class name is expert class. Okay, very good. Good job. Next, who is going to come? Raise your hands. Raise your hands so I can come to know. Yeah, so who is going to come? Yeah, Abhishek Gaikwad, please. Yes, Abhishek Gaikwad.
Sir, can I speak?
Abhishek Gaikwad has raised his hands.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And how about you?
I am also fine. Thank you. I am also fine. Thank you. Are you teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher. I think you have got some connection issues, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Now Nilesh is going to talk to me.
Sir.
Nilesh is
Hi,
going to
sir.
talk. Yeah,
Hi, sir.
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am also fine, sir. Are you doctor?
Yes, I am a doctor.
When do you get up? Every day?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I go for a walk.
How much time do you spend in your hospital?
I spend around 10 hours in the hospital.
How many hospital do you visit every day?
I visit around 2 hospitals every day.
When do you have lunch while working in your hospital?
I have my lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
How much fees do you take from the patients?
I take around 10,000 rupees, 100 rupees from per patients.
How do you have operation?
I have I perform the operation with the help of expert doctors team. Okay, very good. Good job. Next, raise your hands.
Thank you, sir.
Next, please. Next,
Hel-
raise your
Hello.
hands. Yes, Pooja
Hello, sir.
Kumari ji.
How
Huh,
are you?
start. Hi.
Hi sir, how are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
I am also fine, thank you. Are you software tester?
Yes, I am a software tester. Very good. Good job.
When do you get up?
I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Which company do you work?
I work in Cognizant.
How much experience do you have in testing?
I have around 3 years of experience in the testing.
Which position do you get?
I work as a team lead.
Okay. How many employee in your
How many
in your
employees
team?
are in your team?
How many employee are in your team?
There are around 10 employees in my team.
Which type of tool do you use?
I use all the modern and updated tools. Very good. Good job. Good job. Next, please raise your hands. Next, make mistakes. Don't worry. Make mistakes. Yeah, Sanchali, please. Sanchali. Start.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. So, are you manager?
Yes, I am a manager.
When which company?
In which company
Sorry.
do you work?
In which company is working?
In which company do you work?
Sorry, in which company do you work?
I work in Inspiring.
How many team leaders you are under?
How many team leaders are there in your team?
Are there?
There are around 5 team leaders in my team. Vinayak Parrikar.
सर
तुमची बॅच दुसरी आहे प्रियांका मॅडमची, ती जॉईन करा.
तेच लिंक वेगळी आहे का सर?
हो, ती लिंक वेगळी आहे पहा.
एक सॉरी सर बघतोय.
ओके ओके. अजून कोण जॉईन झालेला आहे त्या बॅचचं? ओके फाईन. येस संचाली प्लीज.
How many years your experience in manager?
How many years of experience do you have in managing a company? I have around 10 years of experience in managing a company. Very good. Good job. Next, please. Next. Who is going to come next?
Hi, sir. Nikita here.
Yeah, Nikita. Yes, please.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
I am also fine. What do you do?
I am an actor. I am a Bollywood actor.
Okay. When do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
When do you go for shoots?
I go for a shooting at 10 o'clock in the morning.
How many hours you shoot in a day?
I shoot around 10 hours a day.
What is your co-actress name?
My co-actress name is Deepika Padukone.
And what is your lunch time?
My lunch time is 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
You do your lunch with your co-actors?
Yes, I do my lunch with the co-actors.
When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at around 11 o'clock at night.
Yes, thank you.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Last, please. Yes, who is going to come?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Sanket, yes, please.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
I am fine. What do you do, sir?
I am a mechanic.
Yes. How many bikes do you repair?
I repair around 10 bikes every day.
And which type of problems do you face while repairing the bike?
I face a lot of issues about the bikes and I solve them.
What is your opinion about the rising of petrol prices?
Sorry?
What is your opinion about rising the petrol prices every day?
Yeah. I think government should have a strict control on petrol, on the rises of the prices, rising prices of the petrol and diesels, and also government should apply the GST on this petrol and diesels, so it will be affordable. It will be affordable for all the common people.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Very good job. So in this way, we talked about a lot of topics today, and it was a great session.